Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Drive Zone USA. Today, we're diving into the legend that started it all, the Chevrolet Corvette C1 1953, a car that defined American performance and style for generations. The exterior of the Corvette C1 immediately captures attention with its sleek fiberglass body, a revolutionary feature at that time, giving it a lightweight yet durable design. Its rounded fenders, chrome grille, and bullet-style headlights combined with the classic polo white paint and red interior created an unforgettable look of elegance and sportiness. The wraparound windshield and smooth curves gave it an aerodynamic silhouette that was both modern and timeless. Under the hood, the 1953 Corvette featured a 3.9-liter inline-six engine known as the Blue Flame, producing around 150 horsepower paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission, offering decent performance for its era. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 11 seconds, not lightning fast by today's standards, but thrilling in the early 50s. Handling was responsive for the time, and the low-slung body offered a true sports car feel on open roads. In terms of safety, the C1 didn't feature modern systems like airbags or ABS, but its rigid body construction, low center of gravity, and responsive brakes gave drivers better control than most cars of that era. The unique selling points of the Corvette C1 were its stunning design, innovative use of fiberglass, and its identity as America's first mass-produced sports car. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a symbol of American freedom, ambition, and style. Only 300 units of the 1953 model were ever made, making it one of the rarest and most collectible Corvettes today. Back in 1953, it cost around $3,498, which was considered premium pricing. Today, however, a pristine C1 can sell for over $250,000 at auctions, reflecting its immense historical value. In conclusion, the Chevrolet Corvette C1 1953 wasn't just a car, it was the birth of a legacy. It introduced America to sports car culture, blending style, innovation, and spirit in one unforgettable package.